our egg bed is broken. Do you see? Here is a hole. We would like to try to fix it. This help our bicycle's fixation. It's for bicycle and rubber cement for bicycle too. Let's try to fix it. At first we need to clean the area. Can still be enough. Then we need to clean then we need to open our rubber cement and put rubber cement here. Wait several seconds. Then we need such things like this and put it here. Ta-da! And we'll fix it. And we'll wait maybe several hours will be enough. Leave it here. Tomorrow we will inflate this bed and we'll check how it works. The bed is fixed. Let's see what we have here. Ta-da! Let's try to fill it with air. You need to pack on power. So let's check how it works. Ta-da! I think it's okay.